tungod sa kwarta. O ng butangan na, I hate that so much. It is the root of all evil. Kining mga congressman ba ni yes? Sige. Ninyong tanan. Kamo, musod mo politika. Papasok kayo ng politika. Para mangwarta lang. Kwarta lang. Bakit nandyan pa kayo? Bakit? You just want yourself to, like, you want everybody to see that you have a better house, a better car, you are richer than anyone else in your community? Yan lang? Para sa kinabukasan ng bayan natin? Na umalis na kayo dyan. Mga tauhan ng... Yun po si Mike Defensor. Ako man siguro ipapriso, ani. Pero mauuna yan si Harold Respicio. Ako I'm really sick and tired of politics. Noon pa naman yan, before I naging vice mayor ako. Isa pang binalik ng adik na pangulo na sabi ng kapatid niya, hindi, kailangan ko i-put into para sasabihin naman ni Matibag na, oy, sinabihan mo adik, ikukulong ka, pusasan ka. Bisaya pa, lo ni mo, Choy. Tama si Mike. This is not even a silent martial law. It is martial law without declaring it formally. Ang dami nang nakukulong, may mga kaso, and for what? Because they opposed the actions of the administration. Why? Is that so wrong? Kung ikaw, presidente,